What's up, you crazy crafters? Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Daniel. On today's episode, I am trying the hemp coconut soy wax from Wooden Wick Co. That's a mouthful. Which is a sustainable alternative to just regular soy wax, or stop touching that, or coconut soy wax. So I have an 11-pound slab of this here, so I'm going to try this out and test it. But the reason I got this is I'm actually creating a hemp candle collection. So if you're interested or curious about this wax, hopefully this video helps you out. And a little bit about this, it says it's FDA approved, which is great.
Made from natural soy, coconut, and organic hemp oils. It is a container wax that has a creamy white appearance, exceptional adhesion, excellent fragrance though, and exhibits an evenness of burn and wax consumption. The wax can easily handle a 9 to 10% fragrance load, 120-degree Fahrenheit melt point with an optional pouring temperature of 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is pretty great. So opening this wax here, this is the wax that I'm going to be using for my collection. And I do love and hate Wooden Wick Co because they are so up and down with their stuff. But I find when I just order like jars or fragrance oils and steer clear of the wax, I have a much more positive experience. So I just get stuff in smaller batches like this. This is what the wax looks like. Try and show it to you there. There is a crack in mine, but I don't care because I'm gonna melt it down anyways. So I have an 11-pound slab here. And then I also got these matte frosted Aura vessels from their website as well. I do love their jars so much. They are on the pricier side, but that's why I keep them for my luxury line of candles. Luxury. I'm also going to be using their Whisper Booster Wick 0.03, 5 inches and 0.625 width diameter, because those are the ones that are meant for this Aura jar. I think I did the little quiz online, and that's what I got. So don't you dare come after me. Don't you dare. So that's the jar, the wick, and the wax I'm going to be using. And for my scents, I'm actually trying their marijuana-related fragrances, but these do not get you under the influence. No. I quit smoking last year, celebrating just over a year. It's almost a year and 6 months, actually. So I am drug-free, but I used to smoke all the time, and these don't trigger me, even though this one is cannabis and agar wood, which is one of their more popular ones, cantaloupe, marijuana leaf, marijuana and hemp leaves, musk, amber, and eastern cedar, which sounds delicious to me. But honestly, ooh, I'm getting like Abercrombie and Fitch vibes, not marijuana vibes. So that one is like a nice woody one. Really like that one a lot, actually. And this other one is indica kush and violet resin. So it has Moroccan mint, anise, hardly know her, geranium, cinnamon, cannabis, rhubarb, sandalwood, violet, and patchouli. So this is more of a floral. Oh my god. Wow. So I'm gonna have two flavors of that, and I think that's all I got in terms of like marijuana scents. No, that's it. So that is going to be my hemp line. Not too sure what the label design is going to be, but I think it's going to be super fun and kind of a little like flirtatious on the edge of like, you know, like dangerous. Huh? I don't know what I just said, but this will be fun. I'm going to make these this evening with my mother. She's decided to help me, and I will show you guys the finished product after this. Be right back. Shout out from today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is myself. Check out dannycrafts.ca. Use the code in the link in the description for 20% off. And I'm going to get out of here. I think I'm going to go for a run or something. Illy, bye.